welcome to my channel, Speed Therapy 407, where I just do a little bit of anything and everything dealing with vehicles, motors, motorized toys, whatever the case may be. And today I have a pretty exciting video. A few years back I bought a Traxxas X Max and I did a unboxing of it, and I absolutely love that truck. And today we are unboxing the new Traxxas XRT, which is the Traxxas X Max's brother, or I guess you could say little brother, because it's not as tall from what I understand, but it is faster from what I've been reading. So let's get into unboxing. First band of tape cut. It's exciting. Goes the second, goes the third. It's starting to come loose. Oh yeah, I'm liking what I see so far. Now this thing does come in 4 different colors. It comes in like a royal blue, a lime green, a red, and an orange. So when I bought the X Max, I went with the rock and roll theme, so it was all types of different colors. With this one, you're about to see what color I went with. We got the remote. Uh-oh, here we go. It's coming out upside down. We got the XRT packet, some graphics, some tools, just the basic stuff that you're gonna need for the truck. Oddly enough, this one doesn't come with the wheels and tires. Well, the tires are mounted, but the wheels are not mounted, so I'm gonna have to mount those. Oh boy. This thing definitely looks wider than the X Max. Let's see what color we went with. Oh yeah, that's right. We went with the bright orange. The reason why I went with this color and or the green color, I chose between the two, and I'm going with this one, was because the paint is a little bit harder to find in like this color orange or the lime green color. The red, the blues are pretty easy to come across, and I wanted something a little bit different. Now with this body, I'll probably shelf it so that way I don't tear it up, and it preserves it and always keeps it nice looking. And I'll probably end up getting another body just to paint. From what I understand, when I talked to the hobby shop, they had said that these bodies are pretty accessible. The X Max bodies are not as accessible as these, so I may run it with this body for a little bit. I may not, I don't know, because I'm not the best driver of an RC vehicle, so I tend to hit things. But I will say that this XRT feels, just by the way it feels more durable than the X Max. So I'm pretty excited to take this thing out for a spin. I don't even know how to take this body off yet. But I do got to put the wheels and stuff on. There's probably some like little something or another where it snaps in, and I don't want to break it, so I'll figure out how to. There's probably some. Oh, here we go. I don't know if it slides forward or back. Oh. Oh, there we go. Come on. Come on. It's a bit different from the X Max. I guess because it's a new body, it's a little difficult to get off. Okay. Yeah, now this body is a little bit different than the X Max because these tabs, each one of these tabs drop down into this holder. They clip down in the holder here, 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 and here. And to take the body off, you have to pull these tabs out and then lift up. My only fear with this one is I'm wondering if this truck flips often, if this body may pop off a little bit easier than the X Max. But I like this design better because it's easier to work with. But yeah, it looks almost identical to the X Max inside, so we will see. We will see when I put it all together. I kind of like this wing, the little race truck wing on the rear. You don't get that with the X Max. You do get the wheelie bar with the X Max as well, but I kind of like the way this looks. And I like how they color match the shocks and everything with the color of the body too. So, or at least with the orange one. But yeah, this thing feels a whole lot more durable than the X Max. Just feels like it's a better quality built to it. Go ahead and get these wheels put on. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. It just sounds glorious. You get the wheel nuts. You put the little notches on the wheel nut. I don't know if you can see that. Oh yeah. I'll just kind of snug that one in for now. And the tires actually have a rotational arrow, so you really can't screw this up putting them on. Get my tool to tighten these jokers up. Okay, we're gonna wait a minute. Why does this not feel like it fits? Oh, there we go. Make sure I get this on. As I said, here's the rotational. It'll show you kind of which way the wheel's got to be turning. Obviously the arrows, rotation goes to the front. I do like how the nuts are the same color as the shocks and the axle. Looks kind of nice. Oh, come on. Okay. We're almost in business. Whoa, look at this. And you can actually adjust your shock. Look at that. I never noticed that on the X Max. Maybe you can. So you can adjust the spring rate. Boom! Boom! And that's what we got. I like it. One thing to note too is that these trucks, or this truck in particular, does not come with the charger and the batteries to run this truck. Obviously you have to provide your own batteries for the remote, but for the truck itself you will have to buy the batteries needed for the truck as well as the charger, or in this case they take the same batteries and charger as the X Max does, so I will just flip-flop the batteries for whatever truck I use at that particular time. Also, this comes with the gearing, so you can change the gearing in these trucks. This truck, I don't know how fast it actually is in comparison to the X Max, but it is labeled that it will do 60 plus miles an hour. So we're going to see about that. But I just wanted to make a note of that about the batteries, the charger, and the gears. So you get the gears, batteries and the charger you don't, you will have to buy those separate, or if you have an X Max, you can do what I'm gonna do and flip-flop them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, hit the bell, subscribe to the channel, give it a like, thumbs up, drop a comment, and I will see you in the next one. Later.